Greetings fellow foodies. On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of restaurants to go to while in Nice, France. The followings are our disclaimer. Our recommendations are based on price, taste, originality, hygiene, restaurant environment, hospitality, food presentation, and family friendly. The videos will have the pictures of food and restaurant, in hope that you can sense the ambience within and decide which one is the most well suited for you and your loved ones. Some of the pictures presented are solely for reference, and some of the pictures are from the restaurant's profiles and specifications. The pictures are presented in an easy layout in hope to give better information for the viewers and future potential visitors. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice of top restaurant to visit in Nice, France will be Number 1. Jan Restaurant. We'd suggest for you to get the 4-course menu with the wine pairing and visit the cheese room. Our suggestion for number 2 will be La Route du Mian. Try the restaurant's duck specialty. Our suggestion number 3 will be La Cucina. Try the ravioli and the sangria. Our suggestion number 4 will be the Oliviera. Try the beef stew and the tiramisu. The restaurant is famous for its hospitable chef and owner. Our number 5th choice will be Restaurant Le Panier. Try the duck and pork cheek with wine. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram JazzyFeast. Until next time, bye!